That is Arvind Kejriwal's take on this. But is that actually the ground reality, or is this a chief minister who was looking for a face saver and an exit for another fight? Because on the issue of governance, 49 days in power, what is it that he had to show on governance issue is something that he didn't have much to write home about. Also, he fell on the wrong side of the Aam Aadmi on the issue of Somnath Bharti, his own law minister. So there was one set of rules that he followed for himself and another set that he said whether it's the Congress, the BJP or even the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi. Here was the chief minister who was tarring everyone with the same brush, but not holding his own law minister, on account on the same issue. That's point one. Point two, whether it's electricity or water, was he able to deliver? Did he even have a roadmap to deliver? Those are issues that the electorate will clearly ask him. It cannot be my way or highway in politics all along, but that's the kind of approach that Arvind Kejriwal adopted. Whether it's the BJP or the Congress ganging up against him, or is it that he failed to deliver, and that is why look for an honorable exit so that he could live to fight another day, remains the big question.
Absolutely, Gaurav. So in a sense, this is basically a face saver from Arvind Kejriwal. He doesn't want to be seen as somebody who failed to deliver on promises that he made. Remember, the BJP and the Congress has said it will be very difficult for the Aam Aadmi Party to fulfill those promises. In fact, the Congress, while supporting AAP, had also said that they wanted to see him deliver, because the promises, some of them that he had made, they said they were impossible.
Oh, absolutely. And that is where the Congress and the BJP are attacking Arvind Kejriwal, that you make promises but you fail to deliver. In fact, the Aam Aadmi Party is trying to clarify their position, whether it's the Chief Minister himself or Ashutosh or other Aam Aadmi Party leaders. They are trying to give their point, but their approach is either you deliver our way, you follow our way, or you are corrupt, or it's the highway. Now, that approach can get you thus far and no further.
Absolutely. Let's also get a word from Javed Ansari, who's joining us from our newsroom. Javed Ansari, it's interesting how even before Arvind Kejriwal comes out and makes any announcement on whether or not he's going to resign, his party members have started distributing messages. These are pictures that we're getting in from the Aam Aadmi Party's Hanuman Road office. People are being asked to gather there in full numbers. A huge announcement expected that might change the shape of the Delhi government.
Well, most certainly we are given to understand by some people working very closely with Mr. Kejriwal that he will announce his resignation. He's choosing the timing and the place. He wants to do it before his supporters. He wants to do it in the full glare of the media. He wants to go out on a high, go out as a martyr. And like my colleague Gaurav Sawant was saying, whether people buy into this or not, we will only know later. The jury is still out on that. But I was thinking, as most politicians do, he wants to go out on an issue which suits him best, and this is the issue of corruption. Earlier, when he was fighting the Delhi elections, he was using issues like water, electricity, which were Delhi specific. Now he's taken a much larger issue which has pan-India appeal. Everybody in this country is fed up of corruption, and he will try and make this his pitch. Whether people buy into this, whether they give him the kind of mandate that they gave him in Delhi, we will only know towards the end of May.
Absolutely, and some would also say that the Aam Aadmi Party's double standards exposed as far as the Somnath Bharti incident is concerned. Let's also get a word from our correspondent Pankaj Upadhyay, who's joining us live from outside the Hanuman Road office of the Aam Aadmi Party. Pankaj, we're getting visuals from there. A lot of people have turned up. What do the AAP supporters have to say about the Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal's stand to step down if they are considering such a move?
Simi, the broom brandishing Aam Aadmi supporters have already started gathering in the Hanuman Road Mandir office of the Aam Aadmi Party. First of all, have a look around how the crowd has gathered. A massive crowd has gathered here. I've been here for over half an hour, and within half an hour,
All right, Pankaj, I'm so sorry to interrupt you. I'm going to come back to you.